fun show. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making more butter slime. So this time I'm making orange butter slime and I'm really excited. And I've made green, purple, and blue, and the blue and purple are in my heart right here. And as you can see, this is what they look like. So I am trying to fill this up with butter slime and make it really nice and colorful. So I'm so excited to do this, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my watercolor. That's enough. So it did not really turn out like butter slime because the female clay would not mix well with it at all. So yeah, but at least it turned into some pretty nice slime. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye! Remember to comment down below how you feel about this slime.